Hi guys, and welcome to today's video where we're going to unbox a fragrance by Amouage. As you can see, this is Interlude Black Iris, the latest iteration of the Interlude series. And yeah, this is not going to be a review or anything like that, just a proper unboxing, so bear with me. And let me know if you want to see a full review on this fragrance, because I have been wearing it for a couple of months now, really. So I might just be able to give you a full insight on this one. But yeah, let me know in the comments how you feel about this fragrance, and hope you're all well. So take care, see you next one. Bye bye.